Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video and ad guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. You want to go live on TikTok, you don't have 1000 followers, and if you don't have 1000 followers, TikTok really doesn't give you the option to go live, and you want to find a way to go live but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to go live on TikTok without 10,000 followers in your account. So the first thing you want to do is open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you do that, if you tap on the add button, here you can see that there's no live option in your creation option. So what you want to do is tap on your profile option on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Here make sure you're logged into the account that you want to go live from. If not, go ahead and log in, then come to your profile. Once you come into your profile, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. So from here, what you want to do is scroll down and locate support. From support, tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem, what you want to do is tap on this option on the top right corner of the screen. From there, you'll land on your feedback section. Here you'll have all the problems or the tickets that you created. So from here, what you want to do is create a new ticket issuing a problem that you can't go live. So what you want to do is tap on this create feedback option on the top right corner. Now here what you want to do is type a message saying that you can't go live from your account. So go ahead and type a message. I'll show you a sample message. You can type a message something like this. Once you type a message like this, tap on the report button. Once you tap on the report button, you'll successfully initiate a ticket for your problem. Now there are two probabilities. One, they can fix the problem and you'll have the option to go live before you have the 10,000 followers, or they can come in and reply to you saying that you don't have enough followers to have that option. So those are the two things that might happen. So hope for the best, and that was the simple steps in order to go live in TikTok without 10,000 followers. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.